Hello, myself Vivek Vishwakarma, and this is the sessional test assignment 3, and this is the solution for the question. Question number 1: hydraulic turbine is designed to produce 26.845 megawatt at the 95 rpm under the 15.24 of head. Laboratory facilities are available to provide the 4.572 feet of the head and absorb 37.285 kilowatt of the model turbine. Determine the appropriate model test speed and the scale ratio. Volume rate, volume flow rate, assuming a model efficiency of 86%. And for this question, this is the solution. And first, the power for the prototype in prototype 1. Power is P suffix. P suffix is for prototype, and M suffix is for the model. And power for the prototype engine 26.845, and revolution 95 rpm, and head is 4.65 meter, which is equal to 15.24 feet. And for model, power is 37.28 kilowatt, and the head is 1.393 meter. By applying the dimensional speed similarity, np and p to the power half upon root over rho, and ghp to the power 5 by 2, and same for the model. uh, by this formula, and substituting the value for everything, we getting the answer is 563.33 rpm. And for scale ratio, using the similarity of proof coefficient, this is the formula: pp upon rho np cube upon dp cube, and same for the model. And by this formula, substituting the value, we get the answer 10.80. Now, fluid flow rate, which is eta is equal to power of the model upon rho qm ghm. Hm is the head, and qm is the flow rate. And in this formula, substituting the value, all values, given values, we get the answer 3.173 meter cube per second. And this is the second question. Second question: condition at the inlet to the nozzle of a Pelton wheel are P is equal to power is equal to 48.2633 bar, and V velocity 24.14 kilometer per hour. The jet diameter is the D is equal to 19.05 centimeter, and the nozzle losses coefficient is K nozzle is equal to 0.04. Wheel diameter is 2.44 meter at the operating condition, and the hydraulic efficiency eta is equal to 0.86. We have to calculate the approximate runway speed, power output, normal operating speed, torque at the normal operating speed, and the approximate torque at the zero speed. For this, by applying the using the Bernoulli equation, P upon rho g plus v square upon 2g, and vi in the velocity in the direction of I, and vector I, plus k is the coefficient of friction, coefficient of friction loss, v, and the velocity into the direction of j upon 2g. And in this formula, substituting the value, we are getting answer 96.45 meter per second. And after that, we are calculating the flow rate, which is q is equal to area into the velocity, which is equal to the 2.73 meter cube per second. And again, by this we calculating head, which is 490 494.76 meter, and after that we calculating the power rho q g h n. In this formula, substituting the value, we are getting answer 11.39 into 10 to the power 6, which is equal to 11.39 megawatt. And normal we are calculating normal operating speed. U is equal to 0.46 by the proven, it is proven, which is equal to 0.5, but is experimentally 0.46. And in this formula, after substituting the value, we are getting answer n is equal to 347.39 rpm. And the maximum runway speed which can the shaft handle, u is equal to vj 96.45 meter per second. In this formula, n is equal to, in this formula we are getting, substituting the value, we are getting the answer 755.32 rpm. And the formula of the torque is the rho q d and vj minus u. Ideally in this formula we are getting, by substituting the value, we are getting the answer 349.142 into 10 to the power 3 Newton meter. When speed is 0, we are getting torque is equal to 646.473 into 10 to the power 5. Next question is the reaction turbine at the Niagara Fall are of the Francis type, and the impeller outside dia is the 4.5. Each turbine produces 54 megawatt at the 107 rpm with 93.8% efficiency under the 65 meter of the net head. And calculating the specific speed of these unit, evaluate the volume flow rate to each turbine, estimate the penstock size if it is the 400 meter long, and the net head is 83% of the gross head, assuming suitable data if necessary. We know the formula of the specific speed, which is ns is equal to number of revolution into the power produces by the turbine, and upon efficiency, which in this formula everything is given. 107 is the rpm, and 54 into 10 to the power 3 root over upon 65 to the power 5 by 4, which is equal to 134.72. We are after that we are calculating the flow rate. Q is equal to pi dB, d b is the breadth, v fi is the velocity in I direction, and which by this formula we are calculating flow rate is equal to 90.28 meter cube per second. For the size of penstock, net head is equal to efficiency into the gross head, which is equal to 78.312 meter, and gross head is equal to h net plus hf, head loss due to the friction. And we know the formula of head loss FLV square by 2GD. In this formula, by multiplying the pi by d square whole square, we are getting this formula into the term of q. And in this formula, substituting value, we getting the q is equal to 90.28, L is equal to 400, and F is equal to 0.044. In this, some values is getting from the Moody chart. And fourth and last question is the propeller turbine has been designed to develop the 22,000 kilowatt under the head of 20 meter whistle turning 150 revolution per minute, and the relevant data is hydraulic efficiency 95% over all efficiency 88%, outer dia is 4.5 meter, and the diameter of the hub 2 meter, and diameter of the runner vane angle is the hub and the outer peripheral. Assume that the turbine discharge without the whirl at the exist. We know the formula of efficiency. Eta is equal to v v1 upon GH2 R, which is Vw1 we are getting as a neta into GH upon V1, which is equal to 5.26 meter per second. Now Vf1 is equal to Vf2. Vf1 is equal to Vf2. By this we are getting tan theta. Tan theta is equal to Vf2 upon Vf2 upon Vf2. Total efficiency eta is equal to shaft power upon water power, which we are efficiency is we getting as a 88%, which is equal to 0.88 into is equal to 22,000 upon water power. And by this formula we getting q is equal to 127.55 meter cube per second. Again we are we calculating the flow rate. Q is equal to area into velocity. In this formula all substituting all the given value, we are getting the Vf2 is equal to 9.99 meter per second, and tan theta is equal to which is phi is equal to 15.74, and tan theta is equal to 0.33, which is equal to 18.2 runner value angle runner value angle. Thank you.